Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to visualize an onboarding process using Swimlanes in Draw.io. This technique is incredibly useful for mapping out workflows across different departments, making it crystal clear who's responsible for each step in your process. To get started, head over to draw.com and click the Start button. This will direct you to another tab where you can begin creating and editing your diagram. The interface might take a moment to fully load, so give it a second to prepare your workspace. Once you're in, look over to the left side panel where you'll find a search bar. In this search bar, type Pool and from the results that appear, select Horizontal Pool 1. This will be the foundation of your swimlane diagram, providing the structure you need to organize your process across different roles. Now, you'll want to resize the pool to fit your needs. Simply drag the dots around the edges to adjust the size. Make it large enough to accommodate all the steps you'll be adding throughout the process. Next, navigate to the right side of your screen and click Arrange. Here you'll see an Insert Row after icon. Click on this. This allows you to add additional lanes to your swimlane diagram, which is essential since we need separate lanes for each role involved in the onboarding process. You'll need to add rows until you have 4 lanes in total. Let's customize the diagram by changing the title at the top to Onboarding Process. This clearly identifies what workflow you're mapping out. Now it's time to label each lane according to the roles involved. Change the first lane to Candidate, the second lane to HR, the third lane to IT, and the last lane to Hiring Manager. These labels help everyone understand which department or person is responsible for each part of the process. With your structure in place, let's start adding the process steps. Add a rectangle shape on the HR lane and name it Send Offer. This represents the first action in the onboarding workflow. Then, add another rectangle shape on the candidate lane and input the text Accept Offer. This shows the candidate's response to the initial offer. Continue by adding 2 more rectangles on the HR lane. Name the first one Confirm Acceptance and the second one Start Onboarding. These represent the HR department's next steps once the candidate accepts. Now move down to the IT lane and add 2 rectangles. Name them Create Account and Issue Laptop. These are the technical setup tasks that IT handles during onboarding. On the Hiring Manager lane, add 1 triangle shape and name it Assign Mentor. The triangle shape helps distinguish this as a decision or final step in the process. Now, it's time to connect everything together. Draw connections from Send Offer to Accept Offer, then to Confirm Acceptance, then to Start Onboard, then to Create Account, then to Issue Laptop, and finally to Assign Mentor. These connectors show the flow of the process from start to finish. To make your diagram more visually appealing and easier to read, click on any shape and you'll notice you can change the color of it on the right side. Feel free to use different colors for different departments to make the diagram even clearer. And there you have it, a complete swimlane diagram that visualizes your entire onboarding process across all departments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.